This is FSM News reporter Anaja Smith. Today I take it to the streets to see what's people's favorite parts of Thanksgiving.
Oh, my favorite part of Thanksgiving is when we sit together as a family and we eat and joke around.
Well, actually, I just really enjoy every year. We have a tradition where we, go to my cousin Rynn's house. Everyone brings their own dish. And we just play games and just reminisce about just memories that we've encountered over the years.
I like the food.
My favorite part of Thanksgiving is when I'm hanging out with my family and friends.
People also tell me what excites them the most about being with their family.
What excites me the most is that I get to see my family and everything, so I get to hang around with my cousin that's my age, and we get to do like a lot of stuff. It's like crazy and goofy. Just have fun.
Just being around family. It's just nice to have Thanksgiving, to just be around family and to enjoy one another's company.
I'm seeing all my family getting together and just being together for the holidays.
In addition, many people tell me their favorite Thanksgiving memory.
I would have to say when my cousin tried to help me with my homework, because I had homework over break, and he didn't understand anything they was talking about, so he just was stuck like, I don't know, so I didn't get to do my homework, so I was stuck too. I
made a dish, a pot roast dish, and it was my first time trying, and I got rave reviews.
I don't really have a favorite Thanksgiving memory because Thanksgiving always just the same, like all my family coming together and everything.
Food is the main part of this holiday. I wonder what are some favorite foods?
Triple chocolate cake is my favorite dessert. My Aunt Joanne, she makes it, and it's delicious.
Turkey, macaroni, dressing, everything.
But I like stuffing and greens and stuff like that.
I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. Reporting from FSM News, I'm Anaja Smith.